Morning. We're back at Middleton Lakes, but before we go any further, just think about the hat. I'm not sure. I feel like it's an old man's hat. And yeah, I'm no spring chicken, but I don't know, I still think I'm a bit young for it. I don't know. But a few people told me it really suits me. I thought I'd have a change anyway, so yeah. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do I look an idiot? I could always change the channel to a twat in a hat, I suppose. So yeah, anyway. Back over Middleton Lakes. Haven't been over for about 3 or 4 weeks. Last week I went out, it was absolutely terrible for birds. And I haven't really got a full day where I wanted to go out and do some landscape photography today, because my wife's going out this afternoon and obviously the kids will be on their own, so yeah, I've just got the morning, but it's Easter next weekend, so hopefully with the 2 extra days I get off, I'll be able to go somewhere, maybe the Peak Districts or something. So let's have a look what's up here today, if it's any better. Oh yeah, and if you haven't already realised, I'm going to be recording on my phone again today. I've brought my other camera with me to do some better video work, but while I'm walking around with my big lens, it's hard to keep getting, well, it's not hard, it's just awkward to keep stopping, getting the other camera out, doing a little bit of video, putting it back in the bag. It just takes up time. It's just easier to get my phone out of my pocket and point it on myself. So not the best video quality, but you get the point. Last week I posted a photo of a swan. I wasn't really sure about the edit, but I kind of liked the looping of the swan's neck and the reflection in the water. Somebody in one of the comments put that they would like to see how I edited that. Now, I kind of stumbled my way through Photoshop, learning as I'm going really. If that's something people would like to see, me showing you how I kind of get that effect, just drop me a message and I'll try and set my computer up somehow so I can kind of show you that. Like I said, I'm no expert at it, but I'll show you how I get that effect. And again, if there's anything else that you'd like to see in the videos, any kind of, I don't know, tips or how I do certain things, what equipment or whatever, just let me know, and you know, it's something else for me to add in the videos, isn't it? Well, I've just passed the spot up there with about 4 people all kind of pointing the cameras into the long reeds. I thought, what are they all looking at? But as they approached, I heard it. I don't know what it was. Do you want to hear my impression? It was like a boo, something like that, but really deep for a bird. I didn't ask what it was. I wanted to pretend I knew what I was going on about. But yeah, I don't know what it was. I asked them how long they'd been there. One guy said an hour. I thought, there's no way I'm waiting here for an hour to find something. I wouldn't even know what I was shooting or what I was looking for. But yeah, if anyone knows what that noise is, that little impression I just did, let me know. I've just had a little play with the video settings on the camera because I haven't really had a mess around with the video, and there's a lot to learn on that. I thought I'd kind of programmed it all in yesterday and got it all right last night, because a couple of weeks ago I did a video over Amsoil and I used the top quality, and although it was really good, it was really heavy on memory. It filled the card up really fast, so I thought, I don't use it enough and I don't want to use that and fill a card up. So I changed it back and did some presets, and I thought I got it kind of right, but I've just had a bit of a mess and it still don't seem right, so that needs a bit more work. So I've had a little bit of a play, a few shots of video, but I'm getting bored of that. I want to take some photos. There's not a lot here, again, just mainly gulls flying about, as you can probably hear. Probably end up having to walk up to where the kingfisher isn't, where I can never find him, but I might get lucky. One other thing I just wanted to say was about video, about photography styles, and about how do you define a good photo. There's a lot of photos I take, although they're really basic, I kind of feel like I prefer them the most, and what they are normally like portraits of just birds, kind of arty and bird photography at the same time, if you know what I mean. Kind of like that, I think, rather than the birds in flight. Now don't get me wrong, I do like brilliant birds in flight photos, but what I kind of feel I like the most are the other ones, if that makes any sense. So I think that's where my kind of photography is kind of heading, not like heading for like bird in flight photography. I don't know, it's just a thought. Probably talking crap again as usual. Oh, the my impression I did earlier of that bird, apparently it was a bittern. I'd just been walking up with another guy towards this kingfisher. He's just turned left, and he was one of the guys waiting for it, and I said, did you see the bird? Kind of hoping he'd tell me what it was, and he went, nah, he said it's gone. And I thought, I ain't going to ask him what it was. Make myself look stupid. But he started to talk to another guy then, and the other guy said, we heard that noise again, and the other guy said, can you hear the bittern? So yeah, it was a bittern. So was my impression any good? Has anyone out there got any recommendations for lens covers for this, the 200 to 600? I've been looking at lens coat, but I've seen a lot of reviews saying that they're falling apart and they're just badly made and they're not cheap. So I didn't really want a lens coat one. There's cheaper ones on the internet. I thought, well, I could just get a cheap one, and if it breaks, it breaks. But the one I like is called a Roland Pro, but I can't seem to get it anywhere in the UK. If anyone uses a lens coat or has any recommendations, could you let us know? I really feel I should have one to kind of hide the fact how bright and white that is. So if you know anywhere or any recommendations or anything like that, leave the in the comments below. Thanks. Well, I went to the hide and the hide was rubbish. There's a grebe down there. I might try and take a few more photos of him. Well, I haven't done too good again today. It's been quiet, and I've spent most of the time kind of bumping into people and talking to them. So this one guy's told me further down here, where I don't normally go, the kingfishers sometimes down there in the pool. So I'm going to go and have a look there, and then I'll probably pop into Hamzor for half hour on the way back. Well, that's it, folks. I've had a walk over to the meadow where he said he saw the kingfishers, and I didn't see anything, though there's a sign up saying it would be good there. I've never been there before. It'd say it'd be good there for like dragonflies and damselflies in the summer, so it's useful to know. But I said I was going to go to Hamzor. I've decided against it now. It's 11:45. Wife's going out at 2, and if I don't get back before she goes out, I'll have to cook my own dinner. So I'm going to head back now, and if I take any photos on the way back, here they are. And thanks for watching. Until next time.